Kajing jur jong Islam aki thain northern India kelawan ra kajing julon ka shyrkhei ba haduk bagala shim ye kajing im jong ki lai pun remote ki brio kajala jamu kashmir kelama ye kajing tua ka kendau ka bachur shaga jaga balik pilgrim ki hindu haga jala himachal pradesh latwa ka surak ka bakhot le highway hapo ga jala punjab new Delhi district kelamat yang syatab haka umsau. Tadal hiru kelamat yang jingkiu ke umsau nakawa Yamuna. Ke Rajasthan kelamat yang jingshlei ke bejol.
In Punjab, a school with 200 children was engulfed. All had to be rescued. In Jammu, parts of the Madhopur barrage on the Tavi river collapsed, taking vehicles with it. Highways linking Jammu to the rest of India have been damaged. Communication lines are down. The Chief Minister described telecom services as almost non-existent. The scale of rainfall has been extraordinary. Jammu region has recorded over 600 millimeters of rain since August 23. That is more than 700% above normal. Meteorologists say it is the highest rainfall since 1950. And the forecast warns of more rain and thunderstorms. Himachal Pradesh too has seen infrastructure collapse under the force of nature. A major portion of the Manali-Leh National Highway was swept away by the overflowing Beas River, cutting off critical connectivity. Punjab is also struggling with 7 districts submerged as the Beas, Satluj and Ghaggar rivers overflow, forcing large-scale evacuations. In the national capital, the Yamuna has breached the danger mark, inundating low-lying areas. Rajasthan witnessed flash floods earlier this week, while Mumbai and other parts of Maharashtra battled relentless rains just days ago. In Punjab, rivers remain in spate. Levels in major dams, Bhakra, Pong, Ranjit Sagar and Shahpur Kandi have surged close to their limits. The Beas, Satluj and Ravi are all flowing above danger mark. Low-lying villages in Fazilka and Firozpur have been evacuated. One image captured the impact beyond India's borders. The historic Gurudwara Darbar Sahib at Kartarpur, linked by the Kartarpur corridor, was partially submerged. Floodwaters from the Ravi River inundated the complex. Reports said around 10 feet of water covered the premises. The corridor, built as a bridge of faith between communities, is now flooded. Relief efforts are underway. The immediate priority is restoring electricity, water supply and mobile services. Rescue teams have been working non-stop. Thousands have been evacuated from villages. But with more rain forecast, authorities remain on high alert. India is facing one of its worst monsoon disasters in decades. The scale of damage is still being counted, but the message is clear. Extreme weather is becoming the new normal, and India's infrastructure and communities are on the front line.